Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the super cute character Puddingway from Final Fantasy XIV. So this was a request from one of our subscribers. If you guys have anything that you'd like me to draw, let me know in the comments, and I'm sure I would love to draw whatever it is. Also, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing Puddingway with, I'm going to start with his little eyes. So they're just two little lemon shapes. And give a little space between them. Two little lemon shapes. And I'm going to do almost like a little circle in both. Alright, so I'm going to do a little circle at the top of that eye, and same over here. Little circle at the top of that eye. And then in between, but down a little bit, we're going to give him a little teeny tiny triangle shaped nose. So it's very, very small little triangle nose. And then we're going to give him a really cute little tiny mouth. And I'm going to do a little line going up to that little triangle shaped nose. Now I'm going to give him the side of his head here. Give him like a little cheek shape. And coming across. And he's wearing, he's got this cloth on top of his head, so I'm going to do a line like that, and then coming down here is part of that headpiece. Okay, so I'm going to continue this line a little bit further, and then I'm going to bring this line down and bring this one down a little further, and then connect those two lines. Okay, I'm going to do a few little lines coming down this way. And then up top right here, he's got like a jewel. So it's almost, it kind of looks like it's in, kind of like it has like flower petals around it, like these metal flower petals. So I'm just kind of doing the shape of that. And then inside it is this like blue jewel. Like that. Okay, so now coming from this part here, we're going to do some more of that headpiece he's wearing. And then we're going to come on up a bit, bring it down a little bit, and then do a rounded line like that. Bring it on over here. And we're going to make a line like this. Just makes it look like his headpiece has lots of different layers to it, lots of different folds. Maybe it took him a while to put it on. Okay, and now coming down this way, we're going to do another piece like this. So do a long line, but not too long. Try to make it kind of match up to the length of that one. Mine's a little teeny tiny bit longer than this side, but that's okay. And bring it back up a bit. like that. And now Puddingway has these two super duper long ears. He's like this really cute little like bunny rabbit kind of character. So there's one super duper big ear, and then I'm gonna make a little bit more of his headpiece here. Just gonna round out that top part. And add a little bit here to the back. And now we can do that second ear. All right, so now he's wearing kind of like a scarf. So I'm gonna do a little line like this. And then come down a little bit from both sides. Little line here, little line there. And then we're gonna come down a bit. And then connect over here. And now we can add a few more lines here to make it look like there's some folds in the fabric of his scarf. And now he's also wearing kind of like a tunic. So I'm going to do a line like this, and then kind of do a straight line across here. And he's got a little moon shape here on his belt, like a crescent moon. And then there's a little diamond kind of shape there next to it. So coming up here, kind of from his little armpit, we're gonna come on down and then do a line like this and a line like that, so the fabric is just swept over. And then his little belt, where the crescent moon thing is on. And now there's a little bit of extra fabric here from the belt. And another little piece in behind that. The two ends of the fabric are sticking out here. And then we gotta finish the tunic. So there's not much hanging out past that belt. Just a little bit. And we kind of made this line a little squiggly to give the fabric like a bit of movement. And now underneath this part, he's got another little bit of fabric coming out. And now he needs some arms. So I'm going to do a little line here. And then come on here close to the belt area. And do a little shape like that. And give him a little thumb. And we're going to do something similar over on this side. Do a line here for a sleeve. Bring it on into the belt area. And then his little hand and a little thumb. Like that. And now he needs little feet. So we're running out of room here on the bottom of our page, so that might get cut off. But that's okay. Do a little line like this, just like a little curve. And then give him 2 little boots. So 1 little boot, and then a curved line right here, because this is his leg, and then this is the boot. And the little boot. Alright, so they're kind of cut off of our page, but that's okay. Alright, so we're done our drawing, and now I'm going to get to coloring. Before I start coloring everything, I'm going to take a black Sharpie and I'm going to outline all around, just the outside of our little Puddingway, and that's going to help to make them really pop on the page. And then after I do the coloring, I'm going to put in some green colors for the background of our picture. So we're probably going to speed it up here at this point. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. Puddingway has these cute little whiskers. Got 2 little whiskers here on both sides. Alright, I'm glad I remembered that part. Now I'm going to get to the coloring, so we'll probably speed it back up here now. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture of cute little Puddingway. So I hope you had fun, I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!